Stenomania dictations with fluctuations matter on merchant navy. Be ready. Start. A merchant navy is the fleet of merchant vessels that are registered in a specific country. Stop. On merchant vessels, seafarers of various ranks and sometimes members of maritime trade unions are required by the International Convention on Standards of Training, Certification and Watch Keeping for seafarers to carry merchant documents. Step para. The title of the merchant navy on the British merchant shipping fleets following their service in World War II, since then a number of other nations have also adopted use of that title or the similar merchant marine. Stop. In most jurisdictions, the concept can be equated with a road haulage company. Stop. Ships are the equivalent of the truck, and the crew the equivalent of the truck driver, tasked with ensuring the safe and timely delivery of the cargo. Stop. The ship owner may be responsible for one vessel or a major fleet. Stop para. The following is a partial list of the merchant navies or merchant marines of various countries. Stop. In many countries, the fleet's proper name is simply the capitalized version of the common noun. Stop. During the First World War, the government requisitioned Australian merchant vessels for use as transport ships, hospital ships and cargo ships. Stop. During World War II, they were commissioned for use as hospital ships, supply ships and armed merchant cruisers, in particular in the Pacific campaign. Stop. Since 2008, 3rd September has been officially commemorated as Merchant Navy Day, on the same day as the pre-existing Australian National Flag Day, which allows the Australian Red Ensign to be flown on land for the occasion as a matter of protocol, as an official recognition of the Merchant Navy's contribution in wartime. Stop. The Australian Merchant Navy Memorial in Canberra, the national capital city of Australia, is a memorial honouring the Australian Merchant Navy's involvement in both world wars. Stop. Recent example of British Merchant Navy officers, graduating at their passing out ceremony from Maritime Academy, with former First C, in 2011. Stop para. The British Merchant Navy comprises the British merchant ships that transport cargo and people during times of peace and war. Stop. For much of its history, the Merchant Navy was the largest merchant fleet in the world, but with the decline of the British Empire in the mid-20th century, it slipped down the rankings. Stop. In 1939, the Merchant Navy was the largest in the world with 33% of the tonnage. Stop. By 2012, the Merchant Navy held only 3% of total tonnage. Stop. As of the year ending 2012, British Merchant Marine interests consist of 1504 ships of 100 GT or over. Stop. This includes ships either UK directly owned, parent owned or managed by a British company. Stop. Canada, like several other Commonwealth nations, created its own merchant navy is a large-scale effort in World War II. Stop. Established in 1939, the Canadian Merchant Navy played a major role in the Battle of the Atlantic, bolstering the Allies' merchant fleet due to high losses in the British Merchant Navy. Stop para. Greece is a maritime nation by tradition, as shipping is arguably the oldest form of occupation of the Greeks and a key element of Greek economic activity since ancient times. Stop. In 2015, the Greek merchant marine controlled the world's largest merchant fleet in terms of tonnage, with a total and a fleet of 526 Greek-owned vessels. Stop. Greece is also ranked highly regarding all types of ships, including first for tankers and bulk carriers. Stop. Over.